Afghan National Army gather around the M198mm howitzer during immersion training at Forward Operating Base Kalagoosh in northern Afghanistan. During the last 2 weeks, these Afghan service members have run gun drills, learned commands, and have prepared as much as they can for today's event. Live fire. Artillery Section Chief, Sergeant First Class Wade Hunter, is in charge of today's particular training.
The basics for artillery is crew drills, shell fuse combination, and pretty much how a team operates to execute a round, to fire a round in a howitzer. These guys are pretty adaptable, so they've been doing pretty good.
Today the Afghans are just shooting at the mountainside, but according to their instructors, that when the time comes to fire for real, area targets will go down. Reporting for the 22nd MPAD, I'm Specialist Matthew Little, Forward Operating Base Kalagoosh, Afghanistan.